Hi, in this video we will learn about moments and couples. We all know that it is easier to tighten or loosen a nut using a spanner rather than using mere hands. Let us find out why it is so. I am Mallikarjun from Hyderabad, India. Welcome to my channel Elite Academy. Moment of a force. The moment of a force about a point is defined as the product of the magnitude of the force and perpendicular distance of the point from the line of action of the force. In short words, moment m is equal to F into d, where F is force and d is perpendicular distance. Suppose you are loosening a nut by using a spanner. F is the force applied and d is the perpendicular distance of the force from the center of the bolt. Then moment is given by m is equal to F into d. That is, F is the force and d is the perpendicular distance of force from center of the bolt. If you increase the distance d, then the applied force F decreases. So it is better to use the longer spanner so that with small force you can loosen the nut. Varignon's theorem. The algebraic sum of moments of a system of coplanar forces about a moment center is equal to the moment of their resultant force about the same moment center. Let a number of forces F1, F2, F3, F4 are acting at distances d1, d2, d3 and d4 respectively from a point O. Then the resultant R is equal to F1 minus F2 plus F3 minus F4. Upward forces we are taking positive and downward forces we are taking negative. Therefore, F1 and F3 are positive and F2 and F4 are negative. Now, taking moment about point O, F1 into D1 minus F2 into D2 plus F3 into D3 minus F4 into D4. Positive moments for anti-clockwise and negative moments for clockwise moments. Sum of moments is equal to R into D according to Varignon's theorem, where d is the distance of the resultant and r is the resultant. So we can replace all these forces by one single force, resultant r, which is acting at a distance of d from the point O. Let us define couple. Two parallel forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction and separated by a definite distance are said to form a couple. So couples are two types: anti-clockwise couples and clockwise couples. Here two equal and opposite forces F are acting and they are separated by distance d. Then couple is equal to F into d. Here the two forces F each are tending to rotate the body in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, this couple is anti-clockwise couple. In this case, two equal and opposite forces F are tending to rotate the body in clockwise direction. Therefore, this couple is called clockwise couple. In this problem, three forces and a couple are acting. The force 40 Newton is acting at point A, and 30 Newton is acting at point B, and 10 Newtons is acting at point D. Along with these forces, a clockwise couple of 50 Newton meter is also acting at point C. The resultant R is given by 40 minus 30 plus 10, which is equal to 20 Newtons. Because 30 is acting in the downward direction, therefore we are taking it as negative. Now, taking moments about point A, we get 40 into 0 because its distance is 0 plus 30 into 2 and plus 50 minus 10 into 5, which is equal to R into D according to Varignon's theorem. So 0 plus 60 plus 50 minus 50 is equal to 20 into D. Here 20 is R, or 60 is equal to 20 into D, or D is equal to 60 by 20, 3 meters we get. For online classes and classroom coachings, you can contact me. My mail ID is eliteacademyhyd@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.